Hey everyone. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into how to properly clean and maintain your Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra to keep it running smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're a new owner or looking to refresh your cleaning routine, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your workspace. Before we begin, make sure to clear the area where your Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra operates. This ensures safe and easy access for cleaning. Step 2. Empty the dustbin. First things first, let's empty the dustbin. Locate the dustbin on your Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra, typically found underneath or at the rear of the robot vacuum. Press the release button and carefully remove the dustbin. Step 3. Clean the dustbin and filter. Once emptied, take a moment to clean the dustbin and filter. Use a soft brush or cloth to gently remove any dust or debris. For the filter, tap it gently to dislodge trapped particles or rinse it under lukewarm water if it's washable. Allow the filter to air dry completely before reinserting. Step 4. Check and clean brushes and rollers. Next, let's check the main brush and side brushes. Remove any hair or debris tangled around the brush bristles using scissors or a cleaning tool provided with your Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra. Don't forget to clean the side brushes as well. Step 5. Wipe down the exterior. Using a soft, damp cloth, wipe down the exterior of your Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra to remove any smudges or fingerprints. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that could damage the surface. Step 6. Clean sensors and charging contacts. Inspect the sensors and charging contacts for any dirt or buildup. Use a dry cotton swab or microfiber cloth to gently clean these areas to ensure optimal performance. Step 7. Reassemble and test. Once everything is clean and dry, reassemble the dustbin, filter, and brushes back into your Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra. Place it back on the charging dock and run a test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Conclusion. And there you have it, your Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is now clean and ready to tackle more cleaning tasks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.